It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of March. I'm Michael Groff. One of those Chamber of Commerce spring-like days ahead. Sunny sky, high temperature in the mid-70s to near 80, and a little bit of a light breeze. But by tomorrow, the winds really start to pick up as a weather system approaches. We'll see a chance at some rain in here by tomorrow night, although that will be brief. And then as we get to the weekend, get ready for the warmest temperatures we've had so far this year. So a lot going on. Let's dive in and talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 71 degrees, the afternoon high. 39 was the low at Sky Harbor Airport, and I expect that that will be the last time we have a low in the 30s until November or December. The normal high, 73, the normal low, 51. And as we take a look outside right now here at 6:40 a.m., clear sky to start this day. And one thing you're going to notice when you step outside, it is much warmer out there. 57 degrees right now at Sky Harbor, dew point at 17, relative humidity 21%. And the reason it's warmer, look at those winds out of the east-northeast at 13, and the barometer is falling. So thanks to those breezes we had overnight, check out the temperatures around the area this morning. Yeah, it's 40 at Gilbert, 43 at Fort McDowell, and 44 in Buckeye. But most locations through the metro are anywhere from 10 to as much as 20 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. Remember, we were in the low 30s to low 40s through much of the metro. The upper air look across the country, high pressure in control here across the southwest, but you do note that area of low pressure well off the California coast. That will be approaching us as we get into tomorrow and increasing our winds as it does. The watch warning map is very quiet for this time of year. We do have some wind advisories, some gale warnings, storm warnings, and some wind chill advisories up in parts of the northeast. And here in south central, southwest Arizona, and along the Colorado River, we've got a fire weather watch. And that is because of the winds that we are expecting to pick up tomorrow. And with the very dry conditions, that will increase the potential for some wildfires around. The convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather expected across the contiguous United States. A little thunder possible along a stationary surface boundary over the southeast. And here's a look at precipitation for the next 7 days. This is from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally less than 1/10 of an inch. A little bit more up north with that system that comes through here tomorrow and into early Thursday. And we'll talk about that and everything else going on as we dive into modeling right now. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Shortwave ridge here across the southwest, giving way to that upper low that's approaching from the west, and a southwesterly flow here. So down at the surface today, yeah, some breezes around this morning with kind of a tighter pressure gradient out of the east and northeast, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Those will relax as we go through the day today. And high temperatures this afternoon, somewhere between 76 and 80, an absolutely beautiful day. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows in the 40s to near 50. And then tomorrow, that weather system begins to approach. So we'll have sunny sky in the morning, turning partly sunny in the afternoon. A few showers may come into the western or northern portion of Arizona by late in the day. But I think here in Phoenix, we will stay dry. Winds start out of the east in the morning, 10 to 15 miles an hour, then turn out of the south or southwest, 15 to 25 in the afternoon. We could see gusts up to 35, maybe even 40 miles an hour here in the Phoenix area. Stronger winds further to the west, and that could lead to some areas of blowing dust out over the open desert. So keep that in mind for tomorrow. Then as we go to Wednesday night and early Thursday, this area of low pressure tracks across the region. And in our part of the state, we're kind of on the southern periphery of this. And so scattered showers will be around. There's enough moisture and dynamic support for that. But I think the better chance of precipitation stays just to the north of us. This is Thursday morning at 2 a.m. off the GFS. It's just not that aggressive on moisture. This system is kind of weakening as it comes through, and it doesn't really tap into any deep, rich moisture source. So, yeah, I think there's a 50% chance of showers here, but even if we get rain in Phoenix, it will be light and mostly less than 1/10 of an inch. Then as we get to Thursday, an isolated shower early in the morning, then will be partly sunny in the morning, sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures upper 60s and low 70s. Not a bad day overall, just a light breeze. On Friday, high pressure very quickly builds in and we warm up. Highs getting back into the mid 70s to near 80. On Saturday, with high pressure overhead, sunny sky, high temperatures low to middle 80s. This is likely the warmest day we've had so far this year. Sunday, the ridge begins to move off to the east. Troughing is approaching the west coast. And so the heights will fall back a little bit. High temperatures drop back into the upper 70s to near 80, maybe the low 80s. Monday, mid and upper 70s. The sky turns partly sunny as another weather system approaches the Pacific Northwest coast, and an increase in high clouds is likely here. This is a week from today, Tuesday, the 9th of March. Troughing just to the north of us. The heights are coming down. Really no moisture this far south with this, though. So while there might be a few showers across northern Arizona, I think we'll just see partly sunny sky, high temperatures back in the low and middle 70s. Going out 10 days, this is Thursday the 11th. The GFS shows a shortwave dropping down the west coast, and that might come through here eventually. The signs are pointing toward a somewhat cooler solution for next week, but in terms of precipitation, that still remains to be seen, and I would say those chances are still rather small at this time. Speaking of precipitation, let's take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks. This is coming off of the European Ensemble. You've got 50 members here, and just about all of them are showing rain in here for tomorrow night or early Thursday with that system passing through. And the Ensemble mean with that is actually a little bit more aggressive on the Euro. It's up there around 0.2 of an inch. And for the next couple of weeks, it's around 1/4 of an inch of rain. That's not overly impressive, but again, we'll take whatever we can get. And temperatures off the national blend of models, how about 81 for tomorrow, then 70 on Thursday, going up to around 84 on Saturday. That's what it's got for us. That looks promising. That's certainly the warmest temperature we've had this year. And then we'll cool it off as we head into next week with some more troughing and the potential of unsettled weather. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an awesome Tuesday.